Bit of a trade secret one for you today, all about cleaning grubby finger marks off stainless steel and chrome and stuff like that. Welcome back to the Gosforth Handyman Tips Library. This is another one of those funny little tips that you'll either be like, well, surely everyone knows that, or you'll try it and you'll be like, that's magic. Post in the comments and let us know if you already knew about this. So you know what it's like. You're on a job, you're fitting like bookcase strips or curtain poles, or perhaps you're a maker that just makes stuff out of stainless steel. So you're all done and everything that you fitted is covered in little greasy finger marks and stuff like that that looks just awful. Well, the simple fix is literally a couple of drops of baby oil. So you literally only need 1 or 2 drops on a paper towel. Try not to use too much. And I'm just going to do this on a couple of offcuts of curtain pole that I've got here. So here's a chrome one. I'll do that first. I don't know if you can see how it's bringing it up. Finger marks are the hardest thing in the world to film, but trust us, you can see these very easily in real life. If you put too much on, you can always just use a dry side of the towel and give it a little wipe down. So you don't want it to be kind of dripping in the stuff. And that's it. Perfect. Here's a brushed stainless steel one. I'm going to use the same bit. You should normally go in the grain direction, but the brush marks are going downwards for this, so it doesn't really matter too much for the application of the oil. Looks brand new. These have got quite a lot of protective oil on them, so you would have to really get that off first. And then a couple of drops of the baby oil. As I say, not too much. It just takes all of the finger marks away. I'm assuming baby oil is called baby oil everywhere in the world. I'm not sure. I think it gets called mineral oil in America. I'm not sure if that's the same stuff. You'd have to just try it and see if it works. For what it's worth, this baby oil says ingredients: paraffinum liquidum and parfum. This is a scented one. Obviously you can get unscented ones, but it's not a strong smell from it. Again, post in the comments what it's called in your part of the world, because it might not be called baby oil. As I say, I think it's mineral oil. I think it's the same stuff. Done. So obviously, whatever you're using it on, make sure it's already clean and not covered in crusty goob. You can use it on cookers and hobs. Remember, all you need is 2 or 3 drops. If you apply too much, just wipe off the excess with some dry paper towel or a cloth. Another tip for you on stainless steel is to never use anything abrasive and always try and go with the grain of the brush marks on the steel. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm pretty sure I didn't do this, but these marks are from an abrasive pad being used, so don't do that because it's almost impossible to fix. You can also use it on toasters. Obviously make sure they're switched off at the mains. And on kettles. And on cooker hoods. And even on chrome or stainless steel taps. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. Post in the comments of any other tips you've got for cleaning stainless steel and chrome. If you've enjoyed this, you can buy us a beer on Patreon. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Have a fantastic weekend and see you next time. Bye!